time experience trying a plant-based a burger, okay? And I felt it is good. I think it has a lot of scope in the market, and I really liked it as a person because I'm a meat lover. I really love meat. So for me, this is a really good stuff.
I just tasted the Nadura chicken tikka. It's wonderful. I am a chicken lover, but I cannot really make out that it's not chicken.
I really like this, so delicious and so soft.
The taste was really amazing. You can't know the difference between the natural taste and that's a vegan. It was such amazing.
How does it taste?
Tastes just like chicken, and also it has that savory, meaty texture that chicken has as well.
I cannot find any difference because it is just like the meat or fish what we are taking. Very good, very good. In veggies it is available, means very good.
So it's really nice. If you don't say it, you will think like you're eating a real chicken.
This is the first time I'm trying veg and really it tastes like non-veg.
For me, it's very important the taste of the meat because I'm Brazilian. Brazil is crazy about meat, and this is really, the taste is really good.
I think it's amazing. I tried the shawarma, which is, I understand, vegetable-based, pea-based, and the taste is really, really nice. I think if you didn't tell me, I would not have guessed that this was not meat. So definitely healthier, very, very nice, and good alternative to meat, I think. Really, really nice. Thank you for introducing this new product to me.
So delicious, highly recommended.
If that patty was in a burger in any restaurant, I would order it. If I wanted to go to a healthier option, etc., or try vegan, this would be where to start, honestly, for me.
As a meat eater, I think it's one of the best alternatives.
I've tried so many different alternatives and this is definitely one of the better ones. It's really got that juiciness, it's amazing.
It just melted in my mouth, and I felt good alternative for me, which I can try and move myself from non-veg to a healthy living.
There's no difference between... Are you sure it's plant-based?